Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kalokhali Upazila online class. I am Kamrul Hassan with you. Dear learners, we are staying at home due to COVID-19. So we are starting our online class in favor of your formal learning. So our today's class is about speech or narration. So dear learners, what is speech? Speech is a formal talk that a person gives to an audience. Okay, dear learners. So, speech is two kinds: direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is speaker's actual word, which is represented within inverted comma. So here is I am ill. It is direct speech. And indirect speech, inverted comma. Indirect speech is the speech which is represented personally by the speaker without inverted comma. Rupa said that he was ill. It is indirect speech. So, in a speech, we find that there are two parts: reporting speech and reported speech. So, reporting speech is the speech or part where speaker is present with verb. Rupa said to Bobby, this part is reporting speech. And reported speech. Reported speech is the speech or part which is represented within inverted comma. Where are you going is reported speech. So dear learners, we have to bear in mind in changing speech that firstly reporting verb is changed. We have to use according to sentences said to or told or asked or so as reporting verb. Then we have to change conjunction. Suppose we have to use that, if or to as conjunction. And then we have to change pronoun or persons, and then we have to change the verb or tense of the sentence, and then change of adverb. Suppose here is changed into there, now it will be changed into then, etc. And always the sentences will be assertive. So we have bear in mind in changing speech that we have to follow this sequence. Firstly, we have to change reporting verb and then conjunction, then pronoun, then change of verb or tense, then change of adverbs, and always we will follow that the sentence will be changed into assertive. How to change reporting verb? So, instead of said or says or said to, we have to change in assertive sentence says, said or told. Interrogative sentence ask, asked or inquire. In imperative sentence request, command, order, beg, advise, forbid or told. And operative sentence pray or wish, and exclamatory we have to change exclaim or exclaim with joy or sorrow. So dear learners, in changing speech, the reporting verb will be changed according to sentences. We know that there are 5 kinds of sentence according to its meaning. And then we have to change conjunction. In assertive, we will use that as conjunction. Interrogative, if, whether, or WH as conjunction. In imperative, we will use to or sometimes that, and optative, we have to use that, and in exclamatory, we shall use that as conjunction. So, dear learners, we have to bear in mind in changing speech that to change the person, we will follow these rules. First person will be changed according to the subject of first place. Second person will be changed into the object of second place, and the third person will not be changed. And when we change our persons, we will follow this. The first person, I, we, me, us, my, our, will be used, and as second person, you, your will be used, and third person, he or she, they, him or her, or their will be used. So, the learners, in changing verbs, or when we will change a verb in making indirect speech, we will follow if the verb is do, does, or in added s, es after verbs, or if it is V1, we will change did or use V2 in indirect speech. And if there is am, is, or are in direct speech, we will change them into was or were. And if the verb is have or has in direct speech, we will change them into had. And if the verb is did or V2, we also change into had. And if the verb is was or were, we will change them and use had been. Shall will be changed into should, will also would, can also could, may also might, and must also change into had to. So, dear learners, if we remember this, it would be better to change our indirect speech, and it would be helpful, I think. And then our learners, we have to change the adverb of sentences. If this adverb presents in direct speech, we will change in this form in indirect speech. So, this will be changed into that, these will be changed into those, here also changed with there, ago also changed with before, come will be changed into go, da will be changed into so, hither also changed into thither, here also changed into there, today will be changed into that day, tomorrow will be changed into the next day or the following day, and yesterday will be changed into the previous day. Last month will be changed into the previous month. Tonight will be changed into that night. Last night will be changed into the previous night. Next week will be changed into the following week, and now will be changed into them. So, dear learners, these are all for the basic of changing speech or narration, and we must follow this sequence. Firstly, we have to change our reporting verb, and then we have to change and use the conjunction and then we use we shall change the person, and then we will be use the verb or change the tense, and then we will use the adverb if there are any, and at last we must bear in mind that all kinds of sentences will be changed into affirmative. So look at the board. Rupa said to me, I am ill. It will be said firstly Rupa, and then we will use told instead of said to, as it is assertive sentence, and then we will use that as conjunction, and then we will use the person. We know that I is first person, so we will change it according to the subject of the reporting speech. So it will be changed into she, that indicates Rupa, and then we will change the verb. We know that we will use was instead of am, and then we will use is. So that's all. Dear learners, it is the first part of speech. So we will discuss the next point for our next classes. So thank you. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you, dear students. We will meet for the last class.